The setup of the distiller is quick and easy. After removing the apparatus from the box, place it on a stable horizontal surface close to a water tap and sink. Connect the following parts for the setup: water tap, cooling water outlet, and distilled water outlet. We start with the water main. Adjust the hose length as required. And attach it to the inlet. Connect the other end of the hose to an adjustable water tap. Use the second hose for the cooling water outlet. Place the other end into the sink. Attach the hose for the distilled water outlet. Unscrew the safety cap and store it carefully. After you insert the plug into the power socket, fill the apparatus with water. Start up the apparatus when water covers the heating coil fully and begin distillation. Maintain a continuous, adequate water flow. When the water starts boiling, distilled water will begin to drip into the prepared vessel. The first litre of the distilled water cannot be used because of a possible contamination. The setup is now finished.